All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to talk about MicroStrategy today. And by the way, at the bottom of this video, watch for the scumbags who somebody will say, hey, man, I made $1 million last Thursday. And then somebody else is going to say, really? Gosh, I'd be interested in that. How did you do that? And then the other guy will say, oh, I got it by so-and-so. And he did such a great making me all this money. And so, oh yeah, how can I get in touch with him? And then you get contact information. So all of that stuff is totally spontaneous. Okay. So you want to make sure and follow that. Anyway, this is a Bitcoin leverage thing, and you know that. We all know that. You should by now. So I put this on our active trade list a few days ago, and I don't think it's too late to buy here. Not at all. One of the things I'm looking at is this. Let me get rid of some of my drawings that I did for my video on this. But when you see these Bollinger Bands, which are two standard deviations from the 20-day moving average, when you see these expanding like this, the only time you're going to see them expanding is if the stock is moving in a big directional way, one way or the other. They always are equidistant from the 20-day moving average. So when they're expanding like this is a very, very strong move, and it tends to go for a while. So what my suggestion would be is you look at this line here as at least an upside target. It's only like 15, 16, 17% away. But that's, hey, in my book, that's a pretty good trade. But the way Bitcoin is starting to move, you're going to see MicroStrategy come back up too. And there are some hedge funds, the real vocal ones typically aren't very good, but hey, man, loud microphone. Look, I got a mic too. Talk about, oh, MicroStrategy is way overvalued. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to short MicroStrategy, but I'm going to go long Bitcoin. And then I'm going to pocket the difference on the arbitrage. What the hell are you doing, man? In my mind, why don't you go long MicroStrategy and go long Bitcoin, and then you'll be on the right side of the trade on both sides of the trade. So that's just me. Anyway, we are long MicroStrategy from lower. We will continue to be. I think this stock pretty easily goes to 2,000, pretty easily. And by the way, once it clears that, it's going to be a little bit like when NVIDIA cleared $500. This thing should continue to run as long as Bitcoin cooperates. And my sense is it's very likely to cooperate. You can see what the spot ETF is doing right now. So I like the way this is trading. I think you want to go MicroStrategy long, and you also want to be a member of stockmarketmentor.com, where you get a lot of these things that are going to help you make money. All right. That's it. That's all I got to say to you. I'll see you guys later.